Ever tried buffalo chicken with pickled lime? A tantalizing combination of fiery buffalo sauce and tangy pickled lime that dances on your taste buds, creating a symphony of flavors. This dish brings together two contrasting elements that, when combined, create something incredibly delightful. Now, the real challenge here isn't just about cooking the chicken or pickling the lime. It's about balancing the spicy buffalo flavor with the tangy pickled lime. Imagine a seesaw with buffalo sauce on one end and pickled lime on the other. The trick is to keep it balanced, to ensure one flavor doesn't overpower the other. See the full recipe in the description below. Preparing the buffalo chicken involves marinating it in a blend of spices and sauces, a process that invites the chicken to soak up all the flavors. And then there's the pickling of the lime, where the lime is preserved in a brine, allowing it to develop its unique tangy flavor. The magical moment arrives when the buffalo chicken is cooked to perfection, juicy and tender, and the pickled lime is added. The lime cuts through the spice, providing a refreshing tanginess that elevates the dish to a whole new level. So, what's the end result? A flavor-packed buffalo chicken with a tangy twist, a dish that's as exciting to prepare as it is to eat. The buffalo sauce gives the chicken a fiery kick, while the pickled lime adds a tangy freshness that balances out the spice. It's a fusion of flavors that is sure to leave your taste buds wanting more. Now, it's your turn. Give this buffalo chicken with pickled lime a try at home. Feel free to play around with the recipe, add your own twist, and don't forget to share your cooking experiences in the comments. We can't wait to hear how your culinary adventure turned out. And remember, the kitchen is your playground, so don't be afraid to experiment. Until next time, happy cooking.